So everyone, hi. Basically, I want to teach you how to switch from your Facebook profile to your Facebook page. There's a difference between the Facebook profile and the Facebook page. This is the Facebook home. As you can see, this is the home. To switch to your Facebook, to go to your Facebook profile, let's go to our Facebook profile first because this is the Facebook home, and my profile is managing everything that has to do with navigating through this Facebook account. How do you know that? How do you know that you're on your Facebook profile? If you find yourself on the Facebook home, you click here to know. Let's click. So this is my profile, not my page. This is a profile. The profile is what you use to manage the page. If you don't have a Facebook profile, you cannot create a page. You cannot even manage a page. You cannot even manage someone's page. You cannot even manage the page of your client. So how do you switch from a Facebook profile to a Facebook page? Uh, at the top right, you find your profile picture or your profile icon. If you over on it, you find account. If you click on it, you find your profiles and your pages. So let us click on see your profile on the drop down. So these are all the pages I'm managing, all of them. So this is my profile. So let me switch to my page. I'll select the radio button here. I'm going to my page. So now I am on my Facebook page, but I have to hold on because this is still loading. At the end of the loading of this page, a pop-up is supposed to here. This is the pop-up. So you are not acting as what you are now acting as what the page, which is my viral social on Facebook. So I can undo this to switch to so I switch to the page. I can undo this if I want. So let's try to undo this. Let's see what will happen. So undo. We'll go back to our profile. So this is the profile. So let's go back to the page. Click on the profile icon, then select the page. So this is how you switch between uh, your Facebook profile and Facebook pages. As you can see, I also get this. You are now acting as this the profile, so you can switch to and click on to. That is this is how you switch from a profile to a page, for a page to profile on Facebook. Um Thank you all for watching. Bye. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.